We move on now to the race for 2016 tonight, and the big question, will Vice President Joe Biden run? Tonight reports his late son, Beau Biden's wish was that his father would run. But if he does, who will the president then endorse? Here's our chief White House correspondent, Jonathan Karl.
If Vice President Biden runs, it's quite a dilemma for the boss. Just listen to how Barack Obama talks about him.
The single best decision that I have made was selecting Joe Biden as my running mate.
But Hillary Clinton was his loyal Secretary of State.
I think she would be an excellent president.
The three of them a team, all there at the biggest moment of all, in the Situation Room for the Osama bin Laden raid. But the team of rivals may soon just be rivals. Aides to Vice President Biden say he plans to make a decision on running for president by the end of the summer. One big factor, Biden's son, Beau, who died of brain cancer in May.
My friend, my father, my hero.
New York Times columnist Maureen Dowd reporting that before his death, Beau, quote, had a mission. He tried to make his father promise to run. While the latest polls still show Hillary Clinton with a commanding lead, there could be an opening for Biden, who leads Clinton in one critical category. 58% of Americans view him as honest and trustworthy, compared to only 37% who say the same of Clinton.
When I think about why I'm doing this,
tomorrow she'll start airing her first two ads, both prominently featuring her mother.
And John Karl with us now. And John, I love how you point out the president said himself, the single best decision I made was Joe Biden. Yet he beat Hillary Clinton, and she said yes when he called her to duty as Secretary of State. So who do you pick?
Well, there's no way he can pick either. He cannot come out against Hillary Clinton. He cannot come out against Joe Biden. If they are both running, the White House made it clear today, he will be remaining neutral.
All right, this could get really interesting, John.